Hello, my name is Robert from Nicxon International Solutions, and for this video we are talking about the user management in Nicxon ERP system. If you click on the admin and users, you will see the list of all your users and their status, if they are admin or just a simple user, which are the employees of your company. You can create new user. Obviously, when you are in internal mode setup, nobody can register on your website unless you create the new user for them and give them the access to your system. So here you have to do it. You write their name, username, email address, and password. If you want to make them admin, you give them privilege. If not, you just let it to be set off, and they are ordinary users, not with the admin access. So let's create one. We can also give them admin privilege or not. Create the user. Our user is successfully created. If we back to the list, we can see the information of this user, and we have the option of the view. Here is all the information about the new employees that we just added. If this employee has ever added any companies inside our directories, if had added any clients inside our directories, if created any invoices, we can know in here. Also, the timestamp and the location of the last login of this user will be here. If this user has recently created any invoice, we can see them in here and click for the preview. Also, the companies and clients. So this is the full information of this user in here. Let's check another user that already has this information. For instance, this is my own admin account. So I have added one company, 2 clients. I made one invoice, and the last IP, because this video is recording on the local host, so the IP address is not available. But in case this system is live on the real server, VPS or any other hostings, you can see the last IP address that user was logging from. And here is the one invoice that I have made. I can see the preview of it. Also the company information that I was added before, and the client's information I had added. And this is the information that you can see for each user that you have added in your user management. You can obviously edit them, change the password and their access, so on, so on. And the last thing this Nicxon ERP has, and we did not mention it in any of our previous videos, is the ability to global search. At the bottom right of your screen, you would see the Command K. Because I am on the Mac, is Command K, but if you are on the Windows, is Windows key K. And if we click that, the search will be open for us. Obviously, we have the fast access navigation. We can click on each link. Also, we can create from here. If we have any invoices, they will be here. So this is for the fast access in your system. Generally, you do not need to click on the sidebar and search one by one. You can have them in here. So for example, if I search for this client name, I have 2 things about this client. One is the invoice and one the client information. Either of them I want to see, I can click and directly I will be redirected to that. And this was about the search option in Nicxon ERP system. Thank you for being with me in the last 15 videos. I hope you enjoyed all these videos, and leave a comment or contact us by the email or WhatsApp or Telegram, and we can discuss more about Nicxon ERP. Thank you for watching.